is up, party people? My name is Anna, and I'm going to be turning these into Blue Willow inspired pieces. This is victim number one. It's like this white porcelain hand. I'm going to be priming these first, so I'll put this lid down so I don't get paint on the grass. This is like a red primer I got at a random hardware store for a separate project that I never finished, but we're not going to talk about that. This is victim number two. It's like a heart-shaped vase. Very unusual. You don't see this a lot in vases. Lid, vase, primer, bug. Yeah, just priming it. Now we're doing white. It's a flat white, but you gotta shake it up first. Arguably, you don't have to shake it this much, but I will say it was a good workout. And if you're wondering why I primed this hand just to paint white again, the answer is I don't know. Halfway through priming it, I was like, what are you doing? It needs to be white anyways. It was too late. I couldn't go back at that point. So, now we're going to prime the second victim here. The wind kept blowing the paint back on me, so I had to switch sides. But now it is all white. These are part of my reference. These little shoes that my mom has that I stole, only for temporary though. Victim number one, going in with this light blue, just kind of carving out the general shapes that I want, because most blue plate has like a light blue under and then like a darker blue, like more detail. You can't see it, but it is there. You're just gonna have to take my word for it. It's fine. It's totally fine. Victim number two's turn. This is the front of it. And then here's like a better look. Here's the back of it. Or I guess it could be the front. It just depends on which way you turn it, really. And then here is the hand. Still can't really see it. Still have to take my word for it. Now I'm going in with the darker blue and doing like more detail over the top. This was actually a really fun project. I had a great time. Mostly like with this right here. This is supposed to be a bird. It kind of looks like a fish. But that's kind of the vibe of the blue plate stuff, is like, it looks wonky, and it's supposed to look like that, and that's, like, the fun of it. But I was actually really happy with the way that, these turned out. Here is how that vase turned out. Cute, right? Like, I think it turned out cute. Obviously, you can tell. Okay, so here's, like, better shots of the finished products. Here's victim two, finished. Here's victim one, a cutie. And then I have a few bonus victims. Here is a teddy bear that I did. Oh, cutie, right? Look at his little booty, his little tail. And then here's a vase. And I think they all turned out really good, actually. Really happy. Really happy with how they turned out. And thank you all for watching. Have a great day. Bye.